Hey everybody, I'm just getting my stream set up for the first time. Oh, where's the connection? There it is, good. Okay, yeah. So I think I need to get a light. That's probably gonna help. Oh yeah, the image seems to look okay. Let's see here. See if I can get a light going. Here it is. Not quite sure where to put it, but how's that? It's kind of hard to decide what to do with it. I'll sit in the back. Yeah, I'll have to do that another day. Let's see here. So we've got, oh, I got an idea. Got a great idea. Let's try a different light bulb. Hopefully with a different light bulb, we can get a lot of light showing. Much brighter image. See if that helps. Right now it seems to be a very yellow image. Hold on. Oh, it's pretty hot. Oh, so how is the image? I read it in here. Alright. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. I think I just turned on my fan. Yep. There's the light. Yeah, so maybe that helped. I don't think it did. Oh well. It's better than nothing. Oh yeah, that is actually a nicer image. Only it has me when I walk in the way. So I've been playing with my GoPro, seeing if that would work, but it seems to not be very good for streaming. So I'm going through different various things to build, and what I'm thinking of doing first is something from my little kit I got. Oh, actually, it's printed on the other side of this. It is the Super Starter Kit. So in the Super Starter Kit, I'm going to try to figure out a new project to start. Here's kind of all the pieces that came with it. You can see that very well. A control board, a pin header, prototype expansion module, power supply, motors, joystick module, What else do we have? Oh, nice. I'm streaming from a phone to a computer, or a phone to an app, to a computer, to OBS, and then I guess Phil's watching it back on a phone again. So it's the big circle of life. Yeah, fun stuff. Yeah, I need to get a light figured out. It's not a bad light for what I have now. Yeah. I need to learn how to use these little pins on this board here. I guess you gotta put these pins here uh, into the board somehow. And then we can make these lights do different things. That should be fun. I have my kit somewhere. All my parts are strewn everywhere. I'm also going to use this motor. Hopefully it works good. I hope. Alright, so let's see what's going on with the Arduino. Oh, there's my emulator. Don't want to see that. Alright, see if I can show my little script here. Display, no. Arduino, no. Arduino? Oh, there it is. Cool. So we're gonna work with this little guy quite a bit. Move this over here. You can kind of see what's going on with the board here. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's why. I have it inverted. I was gonna drag drop my stuff, but I have to move it physically. There we go. Let's get our little code up there. Oh, it locks into place just nice. I keep wanting to drag and drop this little thing, but I can't because it's a physical item, not a Alright, so oh weird. It shows it at the bottom there. Oh, there it goes. I'm watching my live stream update. Cool. Let's kind of stretch that out of there. All the way to the line. Alright, cool. So we're gonna do the RGB LED test for the first thing here. I don't really know how to do this. I've never done this, so this will be fun. Let me fix my live stream here. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of making this up as I go, if you haven't noticed. I'm trying to open up the chat. Cool. Yeah, I think it is public. I think this is public. So who knows what people are... the one other viewer, which is probably me. Actually, is it public? It might not be. Let me see if it is. I should try to make it public. Oh yeah, it's public. There we go. I wonder if you can see it. You should try to look if you can see this thing. Yeah. Oh, I need to see my OBS. Okay, here we go. All right. Ah, here we go. Move this little guy. Here we go. All right, sweet. Okay. Get my live stream up again. Oh yeah. So what do you think of the video quality? Does it look decent? I mean, does this look terrible? Is this something you can work with? Move this over here. There you go. You've got the what we're looking at on this side. And on the other side, we've got the code. Man, the only other thing I don't like is the lighting. The lighting is just sucks. I'm trying to figure something out, but I don't know what to do. It's really janky. See if that looks cool. It's like I need it to be right here, which is like on top of it. I can go above it, and you get the glare. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna put some LEDs sitting like right underneath the underneath the phone here. There's a little bar up there that holds the phone, and I'm thinking I'll do that. Anyway, so going on, I think, yeah, here it is, cool. Let me do another window here. Let's turn off the Arduino, and let's do a display capture of the game capture. Alright, so on the display capture here we have our little Arduino setup here. Let's go to F12 or F11 so it's a full screen. Bit to page of F11. Whoop. There we go. Alright, so this is what we're going to try to make. This little guy here. So this is the wiring diagram for different light tests. Have to decide what I want to do here. Oh, RGB lesson 4. Let's go up to lesson, see if we can go up higher. Lesson 2. Let's go all the way up to lesson 1 and just kind of go through it all. Yeah, we'll just run through this thing. Alright, let's go back to the camera here. Display, turn on the Arduino side. Alright, so I just gotta run through this little kit here and decide what we're gonna do. Whoop. Right. Not sure what you mean by advanced settings. Like, do you have advanced settings? I just cropped out the image and then blew it up to the right frame, and it seemed to work really good. I more want to see if the quality's good. I just don't know. I mean, it looks nice. It should stream pretty nice. I just want people to be able to see the, like if we go to these different pins and things, if you're going to be able to see them. It looks like you are. It looks really slick. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Oh heck yeah. Good. So this is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. But yeah, I'm gonna get an LED strip fill. Gonna get an LED strip and I'm gonna run it across the top, right where the camera is, so the image would be really nice. And then, yeah, that should work out great. I'm just glad this is all working because it looks great and I think it's gonna be really nice. I think also when I get a, wow, it's such good quality. To allow embedding, I'm not sure what you mean by that. We'll have to talk about that. Yeah, you can really see high detail on everything. That's so cool, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be able to see the pins from up high like this, and you can. You can see all the numbers really well. I'm guessing if you have better lighting, it'll look even better. Yeah, right like that. It looks awesome. That looks super cool. Yeah, I'll be excited to see how this turned out. Oh, that's cool. I'm training number 1. So I think it's gonna be about making a daily show of this, and if you do a daily show, you can get a following. Yeah, this is more or less just a test of the camera setup, so nothing really fancy going on today. If anybody has suggestions, I'd love to know what they are, so I can help improve things. But basically, the plan is I'm going to go through the whole starter kit, this whole starter kit, and basically do everything that it can do. And so anybody starting out with Arduino projects can sort of follow this guide. After the live stream sessions, I plan to make individual small videos that quickly explain how to do things. But the live stream is going to be more or less just figuring out what to do and how to do it. So I have a basic knowledge of programming, a basic knowledge of all these electrical pieces and parts and wires and things. And so I'll have a fresh viewpoint of what can be done. Let's turn off the code screen. So the code screen on the left is going to be fun. I guess what I will do is I'll make it go big like this, Not like that. Shoot. I'll stretch it really wide. I'll just make it full screen so that when we go through the code, everybody can kind of see what's going on. And so it's very nice to, it should be nice to follow. So as we go through the different scripts, hopefully people will ask questions and then we can kind of help go over some answers of what to do here. Yeah, this should be pretty nice. And so rather than having the script on the side, I'll probably have it just full screen like this, and then I'll toggle in and out to go back to there and go back, you know what I mean? We'll say like, oh, we're gonna test the light, and then go back to the script, and then go back to working on things, you know, connecting different parts and saying, you know, oh, that's done, now let's run the script. And when we go to run the script, we'll just go boom, like this. And there's another neat window that I have going on, which is the, it's going to be the, what's it called? The PDF that has all the instructions. So we'll also toggle between that. So when you go through those two, you'll go back to the display, turn those two off, and there we go. So then we'll be over to the display. So between the three, everybody should be able to follow what's going on with the running the scripts, going through the PDFs, and also seeing the live stream of the project that we're doing. So I think it should be pretty nice. And I have a screen that I'm watching so I can see what you see. So it should look really sweet. And I don't really know if I'm going to need much better quality of image than that. I may be able to bring my camera a little bit closer to get even a more crisp image. But this looks pretty good. I mean, you can see that really well, and I can always bring it up so people can look at exactly what pins I'm using. So yeah. So then let's go back to, turn those off. Let's go back to the Arduino code. There's the code. I'm a little curious how that looks on YouTube. The code there, it should fill the screen really nice. But yeah, this is the first live stream. Nothing really accomplished here other than just basically setting up the casting for the live stream, for the live channel. So yeah, tomorrow we'll probably start the first episode on checking out what's in the PDF and just basically how to get started, and go over some different features on what it takes to get going. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.